Mobile phone radiation may be killing insects, which I don't know. It's a bit terrifying. I don't know. It's this study. No, I mean, because an insect is an organic, it's a creature, you know? And I just feel like people's knee jerk on that headline would be, they bug me anyway. You know, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What do I care about a wasp? What do I care about a bee? Like, people have that reaction. And then you have to say, no, you don't understand.
Yeah, they're part of the ecosystem.
Yeah, you don't understand. They do this and this and this. And so I go and I'm reading about it. And I'm like, oh, the bees. I watch a documentary. And then all of a sudden, the bees, everybody, what's with the bees? What's going on with the bees?
Yeah.
And they're moving them around. They're trying to make the almond milk. And I just, you know, everything's connected.
Yes.
No freebies, Will.
In nature.
Yeah, no, and we are nature.
Yes.
Everything's connected, Will.
Yep.
You do one thing, something happens.
Uh-huh.
And so the other day I'm talking to Jack and he's terrified. He goes, what about this stuff with my Wi-Fi? Am I dead? What's going on?
Uh-huh.
What about this stuff with the 5G? Is it? And nobody, you know, there's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of questions, but the real answers are not easy out there. Mm-hmm. And even this study, you read through it and they say...
we don't know.
No. They say it hasn't been peer reviewed yet. They want more reviews. They want to replicate it more. It's hard, man. Science it's hard. Mm-hmm. You got to prove it and then prove it again and then prove it again and then 17 other people got to prove it. And even then, people will say, I don't buy it. Get out my face.
Yeah.
It's just tough out here. But anyway, in the case of this study, on top of pesticides and habitat loss, increased exposure to electromagnetic radiation is, quotations, probably having a negative impact on the insect world. The analysis of 190 scientific studies was carried out by Germany's Nature and Biodiversity Conservation Union. Of the 83 studies deemed scientifically relevant, 72 showed that radiation had a negative effect on bees, wasps, and flies. The effects ranged from a reduced ability to navigate due to the disturbance of magnetic fields to damage to genetic material and larvae. Mobile phone and Wi-Fi radiation in particular apparently opens the calcium channels in certain cells, meaning they absorb more calcium ions. This can trigger a biochemical chain reaction in insects, disrupting circadian rhythms and the immune system.
Huh.
I don't know. Is this terrifying to you? Calcium channels? How's your circadian rhythm?
Oh, I mean, I think it's pretty good, but I mean,
how's your calcium channels?
That I don't know.
Yeah,
it might be
trash,
horrendous,
trash.
So,
no, I look
trash. What? Jesus.
No, I'm just saying. I mean, a lot of people complain about their sleep habits, and I mean, it's just a weird analysis. Like we're all just we're just flowing in brand new activity and new technologies and people have asked me increasingly to report on the radiation levels of cell phones, smartphones, and the range at which people are expected to use them. And there was that Chicago Tribune study in 2019 that I talked about a little bit, and it just, people are curious.
Yeah.
Is there an impact? What is that impact? And
the long-term effects.
And it's hard with humans. There's so many variables. It's a very difficult thing to study. And of course, with the bugs, it's equally difficult. Although, in the case of the bugs, it might be easier to track it because maybe there might be fewer variables with the bugs than there is with us.
Yeah, we're complex.
We do wacky things too.
Yeah.
Like, unlike a bee, I mean, I guess maybe a bee might get wacky here and there. I don't know. But
freaky bee.
I just think the average bee's life is a lot like the next bee's life, whereas with the human beings, I mean, we choose a lot of things about our life that might not be that good for us.
Right, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We have really manipulated the environment in a pretty...
The bees just help the hive, really.
Anyway,
so
it's an uncomfortable subject. And especially for technology fans, we're like, man, we want that. Bring that 5G. Give me that hot.
Yeah.
Give me that hot new connection. And in the meantime, it's like
calcium channels.
In the meantime, it's calcium channels.
Ugh.
But then you get the conspiracy theories on the far end of the spectrum. They're like, 5G is
It's a health benefit.
I don't know, man. It's just you don't even want to go into the conspiracy theories of 5G. They'll say 5G will change your political standpoint or something.
Perfect.
They'll say 5G will make you more hungry, or I don't know, man. What's out there?
Yeah.
5G will change your taste buds. It's just fun. There's also the fun conspiracy theories that go too far, and then people are like, oh, never mind that. 5G is great. I'm going to eat it for breakfast.
Yeah.
Because the other guys are so crazy that they're like, that can't be right either. So it's hard, man. Even these German scientists, even just that we brought it up, now they're getting bombarded.
But it's good to at least have some studies around it.
They're just chilling in Stuttgart.
Oh.
Yeah, they're just trying to do their research.
Yeah.
And now people are coming at them saying, you're wrong about the bees. I want all the 5G.
Yeah.
So, you know what else?
Nonsense.
You know what else is in Stuttgart?
No. What?
Take a guess, Will.
Hamburgers?
No, that's in Hamburg.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
That was close.
I mean, they probably have. They probably have. They probably have good hamburgers there
Yeah.
too. I actually had in Germany, in Berlin, I had good hamburgers. I mean, you can get them. There's an argument over where the hamburgers started, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, but we're not going to get into it. No,
Not Hamburg?
it's a new car that we're going to show off. It's a new car we're going to show off at the new studio.
Oh, okay. Can I say it or?
Came from Stuttgart. No, people they gotta
Oh, okay.
figure it out.
They got it.